Hey y'all, Scott Ferguson here. Things like that. Today on Weekend Warrior, we are doing a front yard review, and things have changed, folks. I mean it. Look at those elephant ears. So this has been 3 weeks, I believe. Check when I edit it. The daylilies are coming back out. The grasses are starting to plume. I mean, things are just really maturing nicely. I'll be honest, I still haven't planted these two plants, but they definitely do like it here. So I think that it's going to happen. Now we'll go check down the side here. And let me tell you what, folks, everybody's getting bigger and more full. Yeah. These elephant ears too really come into their own. Everybody's coming into their own. Like ornamental grasses are doing well. Now I have to honestly say the irises are just not happy. Now they were transplants. They had a horrible life before us. They just sat in a bucket before I planted them for like a year. So, I'm probably going to start over with the irises. But look at this. Man, these are big. But it's really coming together. I like the color combinations we got. Like I said, the daylilies are coming back out, blooming again. And it's a beautiful day. It's the 4th of July. You guys, here we have it. Front yard review. Y'all, thanks for watching.